Hello guys, what is DOM? DOM. You heard it right. DOM is a document object model. It's a straightforward abbreviation. But the DOM is a programming API for HTML. It defines the logical structure of documents and the way a document is accessed and manipulated. With the document object model, programmers can create and build a documents, navigate their structure, and add, modify, or delete elements and contents. This is the actual example of document. It's look like a binary tree, but it has more than two or three children for parent node. Okay, here we can call it document, HTML, head body, everything as a node. Okay, every node have so many children. So usually the HTML document is the top of the tree, could be a parent. Then the HTML will appear. HTML has two divs. Okay, one is head, another one is body. Obviously you know head has title tag, meta tags, and so much things. Here body, yeah, that is the exact body which have the entire website information. HTML file which has HTML header and body. In body which we have container division. The container division has three different childrens. Let's see how it's converted to document. The output of the HTML file. Mm, because we did not add any CSS, so it's like a simple text file, right? So how we can find the DOM here? Let's right click it and in environment the elements. This is the actual DOM we are speaking. Let's see, it has HTML, so this covers all the area, right? Which has two inner children, head and body. So body, yeah, it has container and the three children. In header we can see meta tags and title. This is the actual DOM. So how it allows user to manipulate it? Let's see. You can double click it and add a class equal Silva. Right? We have already class name Silva. That's not an issue. So let's drag it to first. Okay. See, we can move it everywhere outside of the container. We can give the background color at CSS. Things are just for your understand purpose, but actually we are not going to change the DOM like this. We have a language for the JavaScript which will allows you to change the DOM structure. Let's see example. Here the container. Just right click it. Put a dollar symbol which will give the actual container like a get element by id. So like this document dot get element by id, both are same, right? This is how it works. So let's have geo dot inner text. See, this is the text here appear, so we can change whatever we want. Oof. So this is how JS will interact with DOM. Script allows you to change the CSS property also. Take example dot main dot style dot like color would be blue. See, this is how JavaScript allows you to manipulate the DOM. But I'm just showing the sample example, just changing the text. But you can create a new node like a p tag and add it to body tag. Before that, I have to say one thing. You have to click here to use the dollar symbol. To use the dollar symbol. Now it will give you body tag. it's give you main bar. Right here we can call the container as a node because it has many other divs, right? Now we have deleted, but yearly it has three different divs, so we can call a container as a node. Apart from this, we have some tags like p tag, b tag, strong. These things are we can call as a tags. If p tag has some text inside, like editors, here we can call this as a element. Okay, this is a single property which has some text. We can call it as element. This is node. Just a p tag is a tag. Sorry, this one is a node. This is an element. Just a p tag is a tag. Thank you for watching, guys.